when your stomach is growling, it is extremely dangerous to eat more food. This is because a growling stomach does not actually mean you're hungry, but instead the growling comes from a demon living inside your stomach called Ima Puse. Ima growls because it's his mating call, which he needs to signal daily in order to find a potential mating partner and produce offspring. If Ima does not find a mating partner before you turn 18 years old, he will violently self-destruct and explode inside your stomach, which is usually fatal. Therefore, whenever your stomach is growling, it does not mean you should eat more food, but instead you should go outside, touch some grass, and actually talk to a woman or a man or a furry or whatever you're into